Here we have the Miele cooking appliances. We've got a combination microwave oven, regular 60cm oven, and a warming drawer or sous chef at the bottom. Starting with the microwave, it's the 6400 series. Very simple drop-down door, auto lights and things like that. The controls simply pop out, and you've got various settings for the oven side, and it'll always tell you what it's doing. So first one is grill, and then you can set it 1, 2 or 3 for temperature, and you just keep going around. Microwave, and then you can set the power of the microwave. Microwave with fan, microwave with fan and grill. Auto roast, if you want to chance it. Further programs, so you've got a programmable element in all of these appliances. So if there's something you use particularly a lot, maybe you just specific setting for jacket potatoes, you can have that working as well. More user programs, automatic programs. So most Miele appliances have an auto system for roasting and baking, things like that, and you can just scroll through whatever it is you're trying to achieve. And you've got more, so less microwave, and now into the oven is just a simple fan, grill, and then fan oven. And again, so to run the oven, for example, put it on fan plus, set your temperature, close the door, and it will start coming up to temperature immediately. And it'll tell you once it's up temperature when that light goes out. And that's the same with all the functions through the whole appliance. Moving on to the built-in oven, this is the 6460 with the pyrolytic clean. Very similar to the microwave because of the same range. To turn it on, just there. These controls pop out as the microwave, but obviously there's no microwave on this, so there's a few more baking settings. So just running through them, you've got standard warm oven, no fan or anything like that. Then you've got your intensive bake, which is heat at the bottom to avoid the dreaded soggy bottom, and fan assistance. Grill, self-explanatory, grill with fan. Then you've got a Moisture Plus, which is a particular baking setting for bread primarily, although it can be used for other things, where the oven will burst moisture or water into the cavity while it's cooking to give a really nice crust for that side of things. Then you've got the clean system, so pyrolytic clean, and that's where the door will lock, heat to about 400 degrees centigrade, incinerate everything in there and just leave you a little pile of ash at the bottom. It's the best cleaning system by miles. Then you've got, similar to the microwave, you're into programmable functions and set functions for roasting, baking, all those sorts of things, automatic programs, that side of things. And then there, simple fan oven, again with the microwave, just set your temperature. Once it's up temperature, the light goes out. You can have the lights on, off, set timers, those sorts of things. All pretty straightforward, and it's always telling you what it's up to.
Yeah.
At the bottom here we have the Miele sous chef or warming drawer. It's an ESW 6629. This is the deep version, the 29cm. They do a shorter version as well. It's a simple push to open. You can do quite a lot with these. Same sort of turning on system. So you've got through the top here cups, which is a preset temperature, plates, hot food, and then set your own temperature. And if you want to set your own temperature, it's done through this part here. And then you've got timing, so it'll run for 4 hours, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours or 4 hours, or if you turn that off, it'll run for up to 12 hours. And with that setting, you can slow cook lots of things. Slow cook meats, joints. You can dry out vegetables, make your own vegetable crisp, slow cooking them, and the results are amazing. But a very simple appliance, but actually quite a versatile bit of kit.